Hi, I'm Lynn with Travel Leaders. I'm here in Bergen, Norway. We've just come up a tram about 800 meters and we're now overlooking the city. You can see here it's very much a city on the water, a port city. Oh, there we go. There's the tram there going back down. Holds about 75 passengers, and if you do a shore excursion, you get your tickets ahead of time, so it's a much shorter wait to get onto the tram. Beautiful day here. It's the second sunny day after 2.5 weeks of rain, so we're pretty lucky with this gorgeous weather.